Hi and welcome to the sewing studio. I'm just making a short video right now because I have this great new fabric from Stuff and Steel's winter, autumn, Christmas collection, and I'm gonna make a real quick make. So I have this lovely decorative tape waistband that I have measured out so it fits one of my kids, and just stitched it up here in the side, zigzag stitch so it doesn't go apart. That's one thing. Then I have this beautiful green fabric, and I think I ordered like 1/2 meter or something, so that's basically it. So I have cut it in the length, so this is the length of the kid who's going to wear it, and then just stitched it up here down the side, and I've just used a normal seam stitch, but you can also of course use a serger or make sure you zigzag the ends so it doesn't fray. So like these are the two things that you basically need for this skirt. So we have this very wide tube now that's going to fit onto this elastic that isn't that wide, and there's a lot of ways that you can make these gathers, these ruffles, but I'm just going to show you one way that I actually don't normally do, because normally I just put some wonder clips in and then I just kind of ruffle it up, make it fit kind of approximately, and that's also cool. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of the openings, and I'm going to take, I've got a kind of a big needle today so I'm sure that you can see it, and then I'm just going to secure this. But you've got a lot of thread, long thread, because it's a big width that it needs to go around. Then you've got the top here of the opening, and I'm just going to show you. So you take the needle and then you just go in, out, and in, out, and do that all the way around, because then at the end you can use this to ruffle it up and make it the right width that fits the elastic. So that's what I'm gonna do. So what I've done here is now I've finished hand basting it, and I've tried to cut the thread off so it's approximately the same width as this elastic tape. It is a little bit bigger, but that's better than smaller. And then it's just about making sure these ruffles are evenly distributed and then putting that elastic tape on. Okay, so now I have put the elastic tape around the layer of the skirt, and I've just put some wonder clips in place to make sure that it doesn't move too much, and now I'm actually just going to sew it. So that's what I'm going to do now. Into the machine, and I'm going to use a zigzag stitch and hope for the best. So you can see the important thing here is that I just stitch at the edge of the elastic, because I still want it to be able to, like, that you want you to be able to see that it says Merry Christmas and not just half of the letters. And then I've got a lot of excess fabric above the elastic, but that is okay. That is better than better than the other way around, and just to make sure that all the ruffles are there. And help distribute the ruffles evenly along the way. And so the dress, and so the skirt is done. I'm just turning it back to front, and look, yay, so easy, so simple, yet so cute. Merry Christmas with green glitter, and it took literally 10 minutes. Everybody can make this skirt. And I just want to say this video is not sponsored by Stuff and Steel, but they make some great fabrics, some great materials, some great trims, and I'm just really happy that I bought these and actually made something of them before Christmas. So thanks for watching. I hope you get to make one yourself. Bye.